The sweetness of pumpkin, the sourness of curd, the spiciness of masala and the tempering on top of it combine well to give this dish a balanced flavor. I am talking about sweet pumpkin raita. Hello viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka kitchen. Sweet pumpkin is rich in vitamin A, C and E. It is also a good source of fiber. Curd improves immunity and it is good for digestion. Sweet pumpkin raita can be enjoyed with any rice preparations and also with chapatis and rotis. Now let us look at the ingredients. For making sweet pumpkin raita, I have taken half bowl of washed and chopped pumpkin and half liter of thick curd. Keep a vessel on stove and add pumpkin. Add a glass of water. Cover and cook on a medium flame until the pumpkin becomes soft. For grinding, I have taken 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 green chilies, little coriander leaves, little curry leaves and salt to taste. Into the mixie jar, add coconut, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, green chilies, coriander leaves, curry leaves. Add 2 teaspoons of water and grind coarsely and keep aside. Pumpkins have become soft. Drain water and transfer them into another bowl. Now mash them roughly and allow the pumpkin to cool down completely. Now add freshly ground masala paste to curd. Add salt, coriander leaves, curry leaves. Mix well. Now add mashed pumpkin. Give it a good mix. Let us do a tempering for this. Keep a pan on stove and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon hing, 3 red chilies cut into pieces. Fry for 30 seconds. Add little curry leaves and fry for few seconds. Add the tempering to raita. Mix well and raita is ready. A tasty sweet pumpkin raita is ready to serve. This can be enjoyed with steamed rice and chapatis. Thank you for watching my video.